everybody, it's Christina of CraftyPaws. I'm here to let you guys know that tomorrow, Saturday, September 28th, 2019, at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time here in the U.S., 7 of us here on YouTube are going to be participating in a mason jar love affair YouTube hop. The host of the hop is Tina, who is tellHimthanku here on YouTube. And then there's me, Amador of Amador Craft and Kits, Jill Norwood, Veronica of VL Ballon 1, Ginger Pana, and Marilyn of Marilyn G. We're all going to come on here to share with you guys our love of mason jars, whether it's stamps or dies or different stamps or even 3D altar projects. So you guys will have to wait and see. I hope you guys will join us. Many of us, if not all of us, I'm not sure, are going to be giving away great prizes. So make sure you check all of our videos out, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and join in the fun. Thanks for watching this little promo video, and I hope to see you guys all tomorrow and through the next week whenever you guys get a chance to watch these videos. I hope you guys are having a wonderful crafty day. Bye.